of a renewed commitment to teaching excellence. Without further ado, let us proceed with our program. Let us begin with reflections on the experiences gained during this workshop. Sharing her impressions, let us warmly welcome Teacher 3 of Rosario National High School, Mrs. Fatima P. Magbanwa. A round of applause, please.
Ma'am, sorry sa Ma'am Be, kaya naghawid ko sa video.
My due respect to our PSDS, Dailita